Greetings, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Niche Commander review. Now, to kick off this video, I want to share a quote with you from Richard Dawkins, and he said that survival machines that can simulate the future are one jump ahead of survival machines that can only learn on the basis of overt trial and error. Now, why is that important? Well, Niche Commander, that's its purpose. What it is going to do is help you to expedite the time it generally takes people to get good at ranking in YouTube or on Google. Generally what people do is they kind of fluff around, they read articles, they listen to people telling them what to do no matter what the niche, because some niches work differently from others, and they try to rank with no real direction or no real know-how. What Niche Commander is going to do is help you to, rather than learn on your own, copy what the successful people are already doing. And not just copy, literally extract what they're doing, how they're doing their SEO, so you can literally just apply it to yours. At the same time, there are things in here that are even going to help you to bring their SEO down in relation to yours. So if you're trying to rank on YouTube or Google, Niche Commander is definitely for you. You're definitely going to want to stick around for the length of this video. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Niche Commander. We're going to see exactly how it works from the creators. As well as that, I'm going to do my utmost to help you hit the ground running when you purchase Niche Commander through my exclusive link in the description. I've included some really great bonuses that are going to supplement Niche Commander, so you're going to get the absolute most out of the product. Now, when I review any product, I look at it, I examine it, and I say, okay, this is good, but what is it missing? What questions are people going to have when they use it? And then I aim to get some bonus products for you that are going to plug in those holes so you don't have any problems, you don't have any questions. You can just apply what the different products offer and just really get going without any hassles. Now, before we get into everything, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want more updates to new products that are coming out, hit the subscribe button and turn on that bell notification. Now, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video and check out Niche Commander or my bonus page, simply click the link in the description and that will take you right through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Legal stuff at the top along with my contact information, a little bit about the software. And the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the Niche Commander official sales page. So if you click on any of these green buttons, what that does is lock in all of those bonuses for you so that when you do go ahead and purchase Niche Commander and all those bonuses are sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. Now, really quickly, the first bonus I've gotten for you is called YouTube Authority. I threw this in there because Niche Commander, a big part of it is helping you rank on YouTube. This is going to supplement that even more if you're going to sort of do a lot of your business operations on YouTube. This is going to go extra deep, tell you how to use YouTube as a business, goes through everything from content creation, creating viral content, optimizing your content with tags, descriptions, titles. Everything YouTube is in this product. It's massive. And it's really going to help you out. The second bonus I've gotten for you is going to go a little bit deeper, and this is modern video marketing. So if you're selling anything on video, whether that's YouTube or somewhere else, the same principles are definitely going to apply. This is going to teach you how to market through video. Some really cool stuff in here relates to creating content that gets people hooked. You're talking about emotional triggers, how to talk in a way that compels people to buy, and just everything to do with video marketing, whether you do that on YouTube or not. So another great product that's going to go hand in hand with Niche Commander. Bonus number 3 is called Freedom Online Business. Now, I threw this in there because if you are starting out with Niche Commander, you're obviously looking, you probably already have something started, you're just looking to improve it. But if you're starting a business online, I threw this product in there because it's going to just really cover a lot of that more fundamental knowledge about just, building up a website, promoting products, finding products, using social media to generate an audience to your product, to your blog, to your content, to whatever. as well as a bit on capturing that audience through email and how to manage that list, and just an all-encompassing product to do with creating that effective freedom online business, as it's called, or that side hustle, turning it into your main job, if you like. So the next bonus goes into content creation. This is called simple social content. So generally what people do, I assume this is what you're going to do, is when you create content, you blast that out onto social media, right? Because people are all on social media these days. And that's what most people do. They blast out their content onto social media in exactly the same way. And they don't respect the nuances and the different kind of language styles that people use on different platforms. Like Twitter's different from Instagram, and Facebook's different from Pinterest and LinkedIn. And this is going to help you create that micro content and do it effectively on each platform, so you're maximizing your effectiveness on each platform. So that's really going to help you out when it comes to driving traffic after you've created those niche sites or niche bits of content. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is a pretty cool product, Build Your Tribe, how to build a loyal following on social media. This goes into the psychology of tribe building, very similar to the book by Seth Godin, I think, called Tribes. Same kind of idea. This also goes into how you only need those 1,000 true fans in order to make money, in order to make decent amount of money. A lot of people get caught up on like, oh, I need 5 billion followers, or like some crazy amount. And that has proven not to be true. If you saw the news last week, there was an Instagram influencer with 2 million followers, couldn't even sell 36 t-shirts. Okay, what's that as a percentage? So it's not always about the numbers, it's about how you can build that tribe, how you can get that following that gets addicted to your content, that anything you put out, they want to be a part of. So another great bonus here that's going to really just, it's half practical, but a lot of it is also mindset and how you should be thinking about your audience. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll come through to the bonus page. You lock in the bonuses through these green buttons, and that launches you off to the official vendor sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through this, checking out the functions and features, seeing what's involved. There's some free information also right here on the front page about ranking on YouTube, which is actually really useful. It just goes to show how deep the actual paid product is going to go if they're putting that on the front page. It also talks about certain upgrades you can get, so I recommend checking this out on your own time so we're not here all day. It also shows you 2 other products that you're going to get with Niche Commander. One is Keyword Commander, which helps you with ranking using keywords effectively, and True Tags, which is using tags effectively. So a really helpful bundle already without my bonus products, but you're going to get the whole lot if you go through that link in the description. Now, a word of warning, there is a limit. This is a limited offer during launch week. So any pricing you see on the main page when you go through my bonus page, any discount pricing on any bonuses, they are only available during this time. So keep your eye on this countdown timer, because it's taken me a long time to source this bundle for you. I wouldn't want you to miss out. So really, the sooner you do get in, the better. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt into your email, which will look like this. You can also access it through warriorplus.com. And as I said, under this green button will be your Niche Commander credentials and such, and under the blue button will be all my bonuses. So all sent to you in one big go. So without further ado, we're going to head into a demo which is conducted by Cliff, who's one of the creators and marketers behind Niche Commander. So let's get into it.
Okay, so we've just got the software open. This is what it's going to look like when you very first open it. All right, so really the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click this credentials button. So we'll click that, and it has my details in it, and the only thing it's missing right now is my Moz access ID and Moz key. So let's go ahead, let's get those suckers in there. We want this so that we can get our RPI. RPI is short for Rank Power Index. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Save Credentials. Made that thing go away. Let's go ahead and click it again, and let's just verify that we've got that data. And so, well, you can see it there. It's showing all the data I got. Now, if something had been missing or whatever, because it didn't save, because some people, the security on your computer will stop the regular save from actually saving your file. So you hit that verify so that you can open the license file itself, and then you can come over after you've made any changes you need to, hit file and save. Okay, I'm using Notepad++. You probably just using Notepad. But anyways, so it's telling you verify your data. It's telling you the order that everything goes in and to save the file if you make any modifications to it. And once you've got that done, you can just go ahead and close it. So let's give this project a name. Now I'm going to name it MMO1, right? Because I just did MMO, a full out run. But I want this video to be reasonably short, and I don't want to have to go through a big run with it. So I'm going to do a small run here, but then I'll show you the results of both a small and a big run. Okay, so very first thing in this keyword section, if you just put one keyword here, for example, make money online, and you was to hit run, okay, when you only have one keyword, it's going to go ahead and go get you a few hundred related keywords just by default. Now, if you put in 2 or more keywords, well, then it's just going to do the ones that you put in there. So let's go ahead and put some keywords in there. So I just did 3, so it's going to go through the 3 real quick. And this is just so that I can show you this sucker running. Okay, we'll also, after we get through this main part, we'll also do this check specific RPI. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this to run now. No, I'm not. First setting we see is right here. This is so that you don't get a Google soft ban. A Google soft ban is you're hitting them too fast, so they block your searches for a while and you just have to turn everything off. But we want to avoid that. So depending on your own computer and internet speed, you may need to set this. Me personally, I never set it above 5. But like if you wanted to put a big list in and run all night long, you might set anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds, because this is what this is representing, seconds. For me personally, I'll usually set mine anywhere between 2 and 5 seconds. So I'm just going to set it on 4 for this run. Okay, now that's all I need to run this software to get the goodies. I need a project name, I need my Moz credentials, and I need some keywords. Again, if I only put one keyword in here, it's going to go get me a few hundred more. I did this so that if you don't want to supply your own keywords, just put one in and it'll go and get them for you. Or if you want to supply your own very specific keywords, you're able to do that too. So let's go ahead and set this sucker to run. You don't have to do nothing with that. It's just letting you know that, okay, it is running. It's going to tell you the current keyword that it's working on and which number of the total you've got done, just to kind of help you keep it, keep an eye on how much longer you've got to go. Plus, we've got our progress bar down here on the bottom, of course. And that's it. It finishes up, and then it pops you up a Niche Commander results page. And this page is going to show you, I selected those keywords on purpose for this, but this thing is going to show you the crunched data that it has for you on these. Now you see on this one, rank power index of 71. This one's a 63. And it's real easy to beat these. We used to think it was difficult, but now if you use a software like TAC to just blow up on your own channel your RPI, this is easy to overcome. But I'm going to show you additional ways to where you make sure so that even if they have a lot more stats than you, you're still going to just take it away from them. It's just so easy. This one here, no video available. That means Google did not show any video results for this specific keyword. Okay, so even on this keyword, they're not showing any results. So that can only mean two things. Either one, nobody has really used this exact match to try to get into the, to try to get this spot, which is unlikely. Or two, Google just chooses not to show video for this keyword. But there is a trick that I use constantly, and it yields amazing results. Is what I'll do is whatever video that I'm creating, I'll do my title to where it has this keyword, this exact match keyword on the end of the title, and then I'll use on the front of the title the same exact match keyword, but some other stuff with it. For example, make money online now. I would put on my title, make money online now 2019. Okay, that means it's almost a certainty that it's going to come up as and in that search phrase. Now, when people are searching Google, they're still using this thing, but that variation is going to get me listed. And then secondly, because I'm putting my bar dash whatever, and I'm using this exact match phrase again, that gives me high odds of, just in case nobody has actually hit that before, that I may go ahead and get this that nobody has gotten before. So that's pretty cool. Now let's look at this. Our keyword used is make money online. Oh, each of these images, you can click it to see the video, and then of course it's giving you the URL. But make money online. Let's look at their title. Make money online. They got it down at the end of their title. This is a pretty good tactic that they're using here, but the fact is, if you manage to write your title out in a decent way that's using this at the front and at the back, then your odds are greatly increased that you're going to outrank whoever was there before you. So look at this guy, make money online fast. He's got his exact match, but that's it. So this tells me that if I want this video, I can go in, do like him. Now I'm gonna put mine, make money online fast, at the very front or at the very back, right? So in this case, we'll just say that we kept his almost like it was, but we used almost the same title but modified. How to make money online fast, 2019 easily. And then I would do my dash or my pipe symbol or whatever, just a separator that Google knows is a separator, and then I would state my thing again, make money online fast. This stuff makes an absolute difference, and it's so easy to overtake these people's video. And now you have to understand, the whole goal of this is that, yes, we're video marketing, but we're also Google SEO marketing. Right? Because we're mainly targeting, in our niche, we're mainly targeting videos, in other words, a shortcut into the first page of Google. So we're using video as the vehicle to get almost instantly on the first page of Google what other people have to, when they're trying to do it with websites, boy, they're just having to spend all kinds of time and effort to try to SEO that page, blah, blah, blah. And a regular web page, man, the odds of them ever getting even into the 60s on the RPI is pretty low. But it's super, super simple on video. You see what I mean? You're just shortcutting yourself right into the top of Google. Let me go ahead and get this. Oh, here, let's do this. Here was the other one I did. And this one, I just put in make money online, and it gave me like 440 keywords that it went through. All right, it's those same three that we seen a while ago. I didn't run rank power index on it. I did. It's just that I had a space on the end of my I put a space on the end of my secret key on accident, didn't catch it, and so I didn't get any index power on it. So, it's not a big deal. We've still, I showed you the importance of this here, but we can go ahead and look at the rest down here. So if you'll think about it, we've got over 400 opportunities right here in front of us in our niche. And it doesn't matter what your niche is. I always do make money online because it's such an easy one. But it doesn't matter what your niche is at all, whether it's local marketing or worldwide marketing, it just doesn't matter, because you're putting your keywords in, and it's going to show you. This page right here, this results page, is showing you the absolute fast track and shortcut into your niche to dominate it. So all you do is you just start systematically going through, systematically start putting your videos up. And if you're using, I hate to be promoting another software inside of this one, but just understand, I'm just telling you how I personally market, and that's how all these tools come to be anyways. So I use TAC, okay? And TAC is to build up my channel power, my rank power index on my channel, which then gets transferred nicely into my videos. And one of the things about that method is that you're consistently putting up videos, that's surrounding your niche. Whether you're just trying to get a lead, you're trying to get them to click through for a sale, whatever you're trying to do, it's still the exact same. The more power you have with that, the easier it is to rank for shorter and shorter tail keywords. So now I have this list that's given me, right in my face, it's telling me exactly what they did on their title to get there, and I already know what I need to do on my title to replace them. So if you'll think about this, just over the course of, couple of weeks, whatever, you're sitting here and you're pumping out videos to replace the ones that are there, you're not going to have a 100% success rate, but you're going to have a pretty high success rate. Next thing you know, you are the dominant voice in your niche, because you just keep on systematically going through here, taking these places. Your channel keeps getting stronger and stronger for your RPI, which makes your video RPI stronger. You're being seen on Google. You're shortcutting right to the same place that all these other people, these poor SEO guys that's doing websites, they work like dogs, and you're just swooping in right in front of them, right on top of them. It's just such a beautiful thing when you come down to it. And this is how in any niche, because I work across all sorts of niches, and this is how I just go in and systematically take over that niche. If I want it, I'm just going to walk in and take it. And it's having tools and information like this that makes that possible. There's no guessing game about it, really. You got to use your noggin a little bit, right? You need to figure out, okay, here's the keyword I used, here's the title that came up. So, make money online courses, selling online. Okay, this is a beautiful example we just accidentally landed on. Our keyword was make money online courses. In other words, this is what people have typed into Google. But nobody has really optimized a video for that title. So this guy got it because Google said, well, it sounds like that's what he's talking about. Right? And now he's talking about selling online courses. That's not really what the person doing this search is really wanting. But hey, that's the closest that they came. So what that's telling you as a marketer is, hey, if I went ahead and used this exact match keyword in my title, then obviously I'm going to get ranked there, because they're going to immediately see, oh, Cliff's video is a lot more targeted to what people are searching than this guy. Do you see what I'm saying? And the list just goes on and on and on that you can do this on, because most of these people, even in the make money online niche, they really have no clue as to how or why they're ranking. They really know. They put a video out and, oh, hey, it showed up on the first page of Google. But they don't really know why, but we do. And that makes it to where we have such a huge advantage. You can just come in and just mop the floor with anybody and just systematically go down your list. Doesn't matter, just say that you spend several months and you end up going through everything on this and you are ranked all over the place. Awesome. Do it again. Go through and do another set of keywords, different set of keywords, and go through and do it again. It's all up to you how deeply you want to saturate your niche. because this makes it about as easy as possible. It's giving you the exact information you need to achieve what you want, that hardly anybody else on the planet even, I mean, they have no clue. They don't even understand when you come in and beat them. They're looking at your thing and they're just scratching their head. Well, how'd this guy beat me? He has less views. He has less subscribers. He has less everything, yet he's beaten me. That's because they know nothing about the rank power index, nothing. They know very little about actual on-page SEO, which I'll actually write up a nice little shortcut tip sheet for that as well, just to go with this software, so that you really get a quick understanding, of just how easy this is, just so drop dead simple this is. Okay, I've probably spent way too much time on that. Okay, when it pops up, it puts that little thing up there, and this is done. So now what we can do is we can click in projects, and that's just going to open up your projects folder, right? So that you can pick anything, that you want to go back and revisit. I can go ahead and click on my keywords and get those wiped out, ready for my next run. Help, this is just, just getting different parts of Locustware support or training system, whatever you happen to be needing. That's pretty much it. Now let's go back again and let's get this guy's URL. And now what I would usually use this for, I'm using his URL as an example, is whenever I'm running this and I'm checking and I'm seeing what all those videos that are ranked, I'm seeing what their RPI is, what their video power is. I need to know what my own is. So just put that in there, and it's a 63. Right? So I can tell right away if mine's too low, well, then I'm using TAC, and I'm going to boost that up as a natural matter of default. So that's the reason that I put that in there. Now I'll go ahead and wrap this up because it's getting way too long.
Alright, thanks for sticking around through that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on Niche Commander, see what it can do, see how it can combine with those bonus products. Now just quickly before we close out the video, let's take a look at the pricing. This is available on my bonus page as well if you want to take a look. So the basic front end is $27, and it includes basically everything you saw in that video. Now when you do purchase, there will be some one-time offers, which is the Locustware Deluxe Suite, which is really just, there's about 40 plus more products that they're going to throw in if you decide that you do want to upgrade. But generally, this is the main product, and as I said, you will get Niche Commander, Keyword Commander, and the Effective Tags program with that, as well as the support. Just quickly, I'll show you exactly what you get. It says on this front page, so you're getting Niche Commander, Keyword Commander, True Tags, Niche Commander Tutorial, Locustware Social Hub, and Locustware full-time support staff. So really just a ton of value when you take into consideration everything you're getting here for that $27 price point, and those bonuses that I've thrown in, which altogether, it's a ton of value. I do recommend checking it out risk-free because there is a full money-back guarantee. You get to keep the bonuses, of course, and to be entitled to the bonuses, you only need that front-end package. So, I'd love to know how it goes. If you do have any problems, drop your questions, queries, comments down below. Hit me up on social media or send an email to me. All of that is welcome. I do reply to absolutely everybody and do my best to help you out. If not, enjoy Niche Commander. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.